Here's how to cut holes in your landscape in Unreal Engine 5. So this is going to be quite a quick video as this is actually incredibly easy to do, but quite a few people have reached out to me asking how to actually efficiently cut holes in your landscape so that you could make a cave, for example, or anything in which you'd want an actual physical hole going through your landscape so you can then go underground without having to just dig and sculpt really far underground while still having the landscape there. Instead, you can just cut a hole like this and then use some rock meshes, for example, to create the underground that you want. So let me delete what I've got here and get right into it. So what you want to do is you want to open up the material that you have for your landscape. Now, I'm assuming you already have a landscape and a material. If not, you can go to selection mode up in the top left, go to landscape, and then you will have an option here to create a landscape. And then if you didn't add a material into your landscape when creating it, you can simply select the landscape in the outliner and then add your material down here. So we want to open up our material straight away. And then you might have something which looks a little bit like this. This is a very simple landscape for me. Yours might be more advanced because you might have auto material and everything in there as well. But what I've got currently doesn't matter. All you need essentially is just your texture going into a material. Then what we want to do is we want to change our blend mode from opaque to masked. Then we want to right click and get a landscape visibility mask, connecting that into the opacity mask. We can then apply and save this. And if we close it, and then we go into our landscape mode tab, so again, click selection and then landscape mode, or just shift 2. You then want to go to sculpt, and then click on the visibility node here. So you can see mask out individual quads in the landscape, leaving a hole. You can modify the brush size and the brush fall off the same you would for normal sculpting and painting, and then just sculpt or paint like normal, and you can see we now have a hole in our landscape. So again, we can do this and create any size and shape hole that we want, and that just has a simple cut going through the landscape, and this does also work with collision as well, so the player can go through this. As you can see, I spawned right above it, and we just fell straight through. So again, you can use this to create cave systems or underground systems within your game very, very easily and efficiently without having to constantly dig down. So we're standing on our landscape, and we can then go through the hole perfectly like so. So I think that'll be it for this video, as we've done everything we want to do. Like I say, it's just a quick one and a simple one, but something people have been asking how to do, so I thought I'd make a nice quick video covering that. If you did enjoy today's video, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.